guys, today we're going to make simple, easy and healthy papdi chaat. It's very easy to make because all the ingredients go into one bowl. So let's begin with the ingredients. For our papdi chaat, you need papri. If you want to know how to make homemade papdi, check the link in the description. We have a video on that. 2 boiled and chopped potatoes, 2 chopped tomatoes, a quarter cup of coriander leaves, yogurt to taste, depending how much yogurt you like. Chaat masala to taste. If you want to know how to make homemade chaat masala, check the link in the description. Green chillies to taste, depending how spicy you want it. Red chili powder to taste, also depending on how spicy you want it. Salt to taste. 1 chopped onion. A quarter cup of chana or to taste, depending on how crunchy you want it. We have a link in the description at how to make homemade chana. 1 cup of chickpeas, half a cucumber chopped, spicy tamarind chutney to taste. If you want to know how to make homemade tamarind chutney, check the link in the description. Green chutney to taste. Now we're going to quickly show you how to make this green chutney. So we're going to blend together whole green chillies to taste, depending how spicy you want it, 1 cup of mint, and a handful of coriander leaves. In a blender, blend them together into a nice smooth paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of water and give it another blend. So first we're just going to crunch all our papris into a bowl. Chaats are very easy to make because all you do is layer all the ingredients in one bowl in any order you like, and the ingredients that we have taste very nice together. So easy to make. Plus there's many different types of chaats that we'll be showing you on this channel. To make sure the spices and the salts are spread around everywhere, we're going to mix it with our yogurt so it's easy instead of like getting a pinch of it and like sprinkle it on. Just mix that in. Then carry on with layering your ingredients. So here we have our delicious, easy, simple papdi chaat. It's very easy to make and healthy because there's a variety of ingredients. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.